Additive manufacturing, also known as 3D printing, is a process that allows the creation of physical objects directly from a digital 3D CAD model, quickly, without the need for dedicated tooling. Instead of machining or molding components, additive manufacturing uses technology that fuses material, such as metal or thermoplastics, to build up a part or assembly one layer at a time. Designers have the freedom to produce forms that would not be able to be made using traditional manufacturing methods, such as parts with complex internal channels or weight-saving internal structures. Additive manufacturing enables design flexibility and accelerates the innovation process through rapid iterative prototyping. It's gaining adoption in many industries and applications because it saves time and reduces both weight and material waste. These benefits lead to improved ergonomics, lower payload, reduced energy consumption, and overall cost savings. At Valiant TMS, close collaboration with our customers is key to helping us identify opportunities where we can leverage the benefits of additive manufacturing while maintaining high accuracy and process reliability. We provide our customers with a full-service experience enabled by deep industry knowledge and vertically integrated services, creating a high level of confidence throughout the process. We print proof of concept models and prototypes and provide small batch production services as part of our value chain that includes 3D scanning, process variation analysis, engineering, design, assembly methodology, material analysis, and FEA validation.